The KVS8000P pruner is equipped with a double safety switch, minimizing risks during operation. The quarter-inch chain is designed to ensure a clean and precise cut, while the integrated protection safeguards the user from potential accidents. The ergonomic handle with hand protection provides unparalleled comfort, allowing for prolonged use without fatigue. The adjustable telescopic pole, ranging from 170 centimeters to 250 centimeters, is equipped with an oil reservoir with a visible level indicator. These features, combined with an adjustable automatic lubrication system, not only make the pruner easy to use, but also simplify its maintenance, ensuring long-term durability. Finally, the KVS8000P pruner is equipped with 2 lithium batteries of 21.6 volts and 4.0 amperes. In summary, the KVS8000P pruner is not just an advanced cutting tool, but a complete solution that meets the needs of every gardener, ensuring safety, comfort, and high-level performance.